Hi all, welcome back to my channel TechnoGeek. So today I came up with few of the Infosys interview questions that happened recently on 16th October 2024. This consists of 3 rounds of interview, 2 technical and 1 HR. So these questions are relevant to 3 to 4 years experienced people on Selenium. Either it is of BDD or test engine, depends. Okay. So initially they'll ask your introduction, your project details and all. Then later on, your roles and responsibilities as well included in introduction. Second, they'll ask OOPS concepts. You have to explain relevant to your framework setup as well as relevant to your project, how you have used in the framework, polymorphism, method overloading, overriding, encapsulation, abstraction, as well as inheritance. Then difference between find element and find elements. They'll mainly focus on null pointer exception as well as list of web elements in find elements. Then difference between hash map and hash tree, you'll be finding this in internet. These differences are must. Then what are different XPaths, absolute XPath as well as relative XPath? You have to tell the syntax. Then which XPath is used often. Then comes up with they will be asking to write the XPath by opening the Infosys page, include using the contains. And then XPath accesses like preceding, following, sibling, self, following, ancestor, parent, child, etc. Then they'll ask to write a XPath using ancestors by opening up with the Infosys page. Then drop down code, then how to double click in Selenium using the context click and actions class. They'll ask to write the code as well for this. Just a minute. Write code. Yeah. Then fluent weight. Using the WebDriver weight, we have to explain fluent weight. Then primitive and non-primitive data types. What are those and why they have used? CI/CD pipelining, whether if you are using TeamCity or if you are using Jenkins, you can explain. Then Git commands like Git stash. Git stash is used to save any of the changes that are present in your feature branch. Then Git conflict. When this conflict happens is when two people are working in same file and one got merged and one did not got merged, another will get the conflict, so you have to explain deeply. Then git merge. Then comes up with version control tool as GitHub or Bitbucket, any of the git related tools you can explain. Then write a code to reverse a string. This they will specifically ask to check the logic, so this is must using the char etofy, not using the string builder or string buffer. You have to write. Then static keyword as usual. It is generally used for the methods as well as instance of a class as well as for the variable. If we use static, no need of declaring object again in our child class. So method overloading and method overriding, again explicitly they have asked. You have to explain, depends on the signature as well. Then how can we do the element duplicates? I mean, if we have element duplicates, how can we eliminate? How can we eliminate element duplicates using the set? We have to answer this. Using the set we can eliminate duplicates. Then comes once you get qualified, then you will get a call from HR on that day itself, and next round of interview is conducted for 30 minutes. So basically introduction, and they ask deeply about the project, and then CI/CD pipelining using TeamCity or how it will happen, TeamCity or Jenkins, how it will happen, whether you will be using the build steps or how you will be generating the report and how you will be saving that report. Then they have asked password encoding decoding. This can be done using base64. And then weights, explicit as well as implicit weights are must, and these are very much important. They will be asking code to write as well. Then pom.xml in Maven, dependencies, why it is used. So basically let me explain the scenario. Why it is used? Because in Java project we'll be manually inserting the jar files. But if we have the pom.xml, then in the dependencies itself we can update the version of each jar by giving the ambient clean install in the command line. These jars gets updated and get stored in .m2 file in our C drive. Then what all present in traceability matrix? So in traceability matrix completely depends on the requirements. So in requirements, what are the requirements and how to analyze the requirement? This you can find in the internet, the table of the traceability matrix. Then SDLC and STLC. This is common question. Test plan and release notes. What are present in test plan and what is present in release notes? And once this you have cleared, then HR will call you asking why you want to change the company and the CTC discussion. Almost they'll do like around 85 to 100% of increment. That is fine. Yeah, these are all the questions. Yeah, I'll just scroll. Yes. I hope this video helped many of you. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.